Hi everyone! Today we are going to do 10-minute glute workout. Let's start. We are laid down side. You can use arms or yoga block or even pillow, whatever comfortable for you. Bring your both feet in front of your hip and make sure both legs same length. So if your top leg shorter, adjust from your hip. Now let's still use your core. Try lift it. So feel the little bit space under your rib. Okay. Your top arms can be mat, forehead, or sky. Okay, let's start. Both feet flex. Breathe in here. As exhale, top leg up to hip high. And down. Breathe out. Breathe in 10 times. Five more. Control movement. 4, 3, 2, last one. Hold here. Point your toe. Feel your energy go through to your toes. And we are making small circle from your hip joint. 10 times, both direction. 2 more. Hold on top, reverse 10 times. And 5 more times. Really challenge is upper torso stabilizing. Last one, hold. From here, we are going to big circle. 5 each direction. Do you feel more challenge? Yes. One more. Stop. Other direction. If you feel wobbling upper body, maybe smaller circle today. Last one, hold here. Now, tap this leg to front and lift and back and lift 10 times. And this is our 3 and 4. Lift. How you feeling? 5 more. Up. We can do it. 3 more. 2. Last one. Up and relax. Wow. Good job. Now, back to flex and lift hip high. From here, this time, bottom legs meet to top leg and down. 10 times. Focus for top legs, stabilizing, and of course, upper body too. 5 more. I can feel my oblique too. Burning. 3, 2, last one. Hold on top. Both legs go lower, but not touch mat. And lift. Lift 10 times. 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold and slowly down. Ooh, wonderful. Now, clam. Both knee bend, just in front of your hip, both feet up. And you are going to open, close, top leg 10 times. Breathe out, breathe in. 5 more. Again, you don't need to be too wide. We are looking for hips stabilizing. 3, 2, hold here. And we're gonna go to 10 tiny pause, 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 pause. 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it. And relax. Woohoo! Good job. Other side. Slowly sit up. And let's go. Everything other side. Okay. Sit up. Ready? Feet flex. Up to hip high and down. This is a whole body work. I can feel, of course, my lower body, but also upper body too. Last one. Hold here. Point your toes. Tiny circle from your hip joint, not from your knee. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, other direction. 2, 3, 4. Try to engage my core. Draw in. Last one. Hold here. Now we are going to 5 big circle. Woo-hoo. 3, 2. Hold. Other direction. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Now tap front, lift, back. 10 times or less if you are too tired. And then next time, maybe you can do 10. 3 more. 2. Last one. Up and relax. Whoa. Whew. Now back to hip high and bring your lower legs to up and down. Another 10, right? This side 10 too. 5 more. Almost there. Woohoo! How you feeling? One more time. Both legs together. And down, up, down, up. Do you feel oblique too? I can feel it. Whew. 4 more. 3, 2, hold and relax. Wow. Clam. Open, close. Breathe. Breathe, giving you good rhythm. 4 more. 3, 2, hold here. And we're gonna go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good job. Now I have supplies. Take the pillow out. Lay down your back. Glute workout. Bridge. Let's go. Just one time. Articulate. and lift. Hold here. Re-engage whole body. Check your knee alignment. Now let's go left leg straight, point toes, and just 5, just 5. Drop, up, drop, up. 3, finish strong. Last one, hold. Keep your hips same high. Switch your legs, right leg point. Last 5, 4, doing good job. 3, 2, hold. Carefully, put your feet down. Breathe in here. As exhale, going down slowly. One by one, your spine. 10, tailbone down. Turn to side. Carefully sitting up. How did you feel? Thank you for joining me. See you next time.